Stock investments, simple na with GStocks PH. Kung gusto mong bumili at mag-invest or mamuhunan sa mga Philippine stocks kagaya ng Jollibee, Globe, BPI, or Ayala, all you need is your verified GCash account. If you're new here, my name is Christina, and in this video, we're gonna talk about GStocks. Yes, GStocks PH by GCash. And if you've been following this channel, I talk a lot about trading and investing in the Philippine stock market, and GStocks allows you to invest in Philippine stocks directly from your GCash app. So, let's go! To make this more organized, no, ito yung mga pag-uusapan natin. Ano yung GStocks? Ano yung minimum eligibility requirement para makapag-invest ka ng stocks? Papakita ko sa inyo yung 1-minute registration process, and we will answer some of the common questions ng pag-i-invest. Remind ko din na investing in stocks is risky and a volatile investment type. And as always, do your due diligence, research, and manage your risk. Understand what you're doing and where your money is going. First things first, ano yung GStocks PH? It's a GCash built-in platform that allows you to invest in the Philippine stock market diretso dun sa GCash app mo. Plus, it is also fully licensed by the Philippine Stock Exchange and Securities and Exchange Commission through AB Capital, yun yung stockbroker, making it safe and reliable. Pwede kang mag-invest sa more than 200 plus companies na familiar probably sa'yo na nakikita mo or probably consumer ka dito sa Pilipinas, mabibili mo yan sa GStocks PH. Sa mga nagtatanong kung makakabili ka din ng REITs, yes, mabibili mo din siya dito. You can buy and sell and manage stocks with your AB Capital trading account. Again, all-in-one na dun sa GCash app. Ang maganda din nito, kung wala kang bank account, hindi na siya problem. Hindi mo na kailangan ng bank account para makapag-invest sa Philippine stocks. As long as syempre may lamang pang-invest yung GCash mo. Siguraduhin mo lang na fully verified yung GCash app para mamaya pag pinakita ko yung registration process, madali na siya. Now that I mentioned na hindi mo kailangan ng bank account, yung pag-top up at pag-withdraw, doon mo na lang din siya gagawin sa GCash app mo. Wala ding fee when you top up or when you withdraw your investments. Sabi sa website nila, the top up transaction will reflect on the next banking day, and yung pag-withdraw naman will reflect on your account within 2 banking days. Next is ano yung minimum eligibility requirement. Para makapag-gain ka ng access sa GStocks PH in your GCash app at makapag-invest sa Philippine stocks, you need to be at least 18 years old and above. Ano mention ko kanina, dapat meron ka ding fully verified na GCash account, and your GCash has to be updated within the last 2 years. So kung hindi, update mo lang yung mga info niyan sa settings ng account mo. And you need at least 1 valid government ID. Next, I will show you, ito yung registration process na nangyari. So bale, kiklik mo lang yung G-Invest, tapos you will see 3 options about investing, no? So G-Funds, GStocks PH, at GStocks Global. Ang pipiliin natin, dahil nga we're talking about investing in the Philippine stock market, ang pipiliin natin yung GStocks PH. At yun lang din yung pag-uusapan natin sa video na to. After nun, you will be routed to this page where you can select your broker. And right now, ang option na available dyan ay AB Capital Securities. Yung AB Capital Securities ay isa sa mga licensed brokers na makikita mo na listed in the Philippine Stock Exchange na website ng online trading participant. So they partnered with GCash para makapag-invest ka na in just one app. We just click OK because we will be redirected kay AB Capital Securities. And then you will have 2 options, the basic and the full account. The basic account is the fastest way to get started. You just need to review your account, tapos no need for extra documents, no need for selfie, no need for signature. At napansin ko, no need for TIN. It is perfect for beginners. Ngayon nga lang, ang catch is you can only top up until you can only top up to 50,000 pesos. But don't worry, if you think you would have more commitment na in the investment, mas medyo nagagamay mo siya, pwede ka ding mag-upgrade into the full account eventually. Yung full account naman, it takes a bit more time sa registration process, pero kasi it would unlock higher limits and more option, plus you will be asked for additional information like your employment details, your risk profile, tapos dito hihingan ka na ng tax ID number. If you're serious na about investing, then you can opt for this option na would allow you to invest ng larger amounts and full access. So for this video, select lang natin yung basic. And ito yung sinasabi ko where you already have a verified account, magpo-populate na dito lahat ng information. So you just have to click next and read the consent form, terms and agreement. Tapos yung third niyan dito, nauna ko lang klikin nasa gitna. Yung third nun is yung consent to buy and sell REITs. Yan. So, i-agree mo lang yan for retrading. And when you click submit, gulat ka. Tapos na siya. Maghihintay ka na lang ng approval. And since this was applied during the weekend, so I think baka next banking day, Monday or Tuesday pa siya ma-approve. So, ganun lang kadali. It's, I think, less than 1 minute, 2-3 step process lang siya, diba? Now, let's go to the question and answer. Ang una kong naging question dito is, bakit walang TIN yung basic account? So, according to Securities and Exchange Commission's, low-risk accounts only require 8 data points for registration. G-Stocks basic account ay considered na low-risk dahil ang trading wallet balance niya is limited only to 50,000 pesos. That is why tax ID is not required. Pero, yun nga, na-mention ko, if you would route to a full account which has no limit to the trading wallet or trading balance, mas maraming requirements na yung hihingin sa'yo, including the tax ID number. If you want to learn more about stock investing, I have free investing materials. Yung link is nasa description of the video. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you on the next video. God bless po. Bye! Ay nga pala, meron din ako, if you want to watch it, merong video about G-Stocks, Mastering G-Stocks PH. It's when it was first released. It was an old video, so pwede nyo din i-compare doon yung mga updates, especially in the registration process, kung gaano kabilis yung registration process ngayon. Click on this video next.